Hi everyone, and welcome to Introductory Chemistry at RMC. So this week we're going to be talking about the fundamentals, the most basic ideas. And I guess the most basic idea is just to ask, what is chemistry? Chemistry is a set of practices that people do to develop knowledge about the matter that makes up our universe, the properties of different types of matter, how they function, how they interact, and how they combine and recombine. So the next question we should ask is, what is matter? Well, matter is just stuff. It's things, objects, anything that you can see or touch or taste or smell or hear, and the senses that you use to do those things is matter. And the matter that your senses can interact with is only a tiny amount of the matter that's in the universe. Leaving aside dark matter completely, that unknown material that has mass but doesn't interact or maybe only weakly interacts with light and with other matter, 3/4 of the visible matter in the universe is in an interstellar gas so diffuse that we didn't even know it existed or where we could find it until earlier this year. Most of the rest of the matter in the universe is bound up in stars as hydrogen or helium. And that picture of Earth at the top, the heavy elements that represent only 0.03% of the cosmos, that's us. That's all the elements apart from hydrogen and helium. It's kind of amazing to think that everything you've ever touched, all the air you've ever breathed, the ground you're standing on, anyone you've ever met, all exist inside that tiny fraction of our universe. In this introductory chemistry class, you'll learn to apply the methods we use to gain knowledge about matter in all of its classifications: heterogeneous and homogeneous solutions, mixtures, pure substances, molecular compounds, atoms, and even subatomic particles. So you might have thought that you would only discuss subatomic particles in a physics class. But actually, the practice of chemistry includes investigations on how electrons and protons and radioactive particles and photons produce changes in matter. After all, we can't talk about ion stability or chemical bonding without talking about quantum mechanics, and we wouldn't even understand why gold is yellow or why mercury is a liquid without relativity. Now, every science or engineering specialty is an approach to answering a particular type of question or solving a particular type of problem. Each uses its own methods to answer their own types of questions, but because whether of their environment, the samples that they use, the equipment or tools in their specialty, in the end, the subject matter is matter, and chemistry lies at the heart of all of the other specialties. So welcome to the central science. Welcome to chemistry.